Hey guys, the Nykaa sale got me again. I went for one thing and came out with a mini haul. I just want to show you what all I grabbed. Okay, so unboxing time, okay? I have my parcel and the scissors, so let's unbox. I'm super excited because the product which I have bought this time is mostly new. I have not tried it. I have not tried it at all. So let's see. Oh, you can see what all I have got. Okay, so the things which we have got this time, I was in desperate need of this. I wanted a good nail paint remover, so thought to give it a try. To this Blue Heaven one. This is the one. I'll keep it aside. Okay. You see that I am having a hair growth serum. I've never tried this one, but I've heard a lot. The internet has hyped this product, and I need to see what this hype is all about. So, yeah, so I bought this to see if it actually works or not. I'll update in case if it works. The next product is again, this one is so this is an underarm roll-on, and this is from Chemist at Play. I have one roll-on from this same brand, but I think that the variant is different. So again, it's a new product which I have not tried it yet. We'll see how it works and we'll let you know. Next product is Dot & Key Ceramide Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer. So new product, let's see. I like the color and the package, and the reviews were also good. So I thought let's try. I was looking for a good moisturizer from like quite some time and was not sure which one will work for my skin. So hope for the best. The next product is, oh yes. So this is the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil. I again needed a good hair oil because I was tired of using the same boring hair oil. So thought to try a different one. This one was at sale, so I thought to let's try and see how it works for my hair type. Let's see how it works. That is it. But we have gotten a few freebies as well. So this is from Smashbox. This is Hello Healthy Glow all-in-one tinted moisturizer. So it's just a card. We have gotten this card as a freebie, and we have also received. It's a Lakme Sun Expert Dry Matte Fluid Sunscreen. Okay, we have gotten a sunscreen. So it's a very tiny tube which I have gotten as a freebie, but again it's a freebie, so can't complain. So that is it. It's all what I bought from this Nykaa Pink summer sale. Bye.